3 días y tenéis más tiempo, pero bueno, la parte principal es esta de aquí, ¿vale? La playa, antiguo, el puerto. ¿Vale?
Welcome to my room at the Arizzul Cathedral, San Sebastian, Spain. Let me show you around my room. We paid about $110 a night. So as you walk in the room here, you have one section for your coats. And the other closet here, we have a safe and area to put away all your clothes. Have a small work desk here. They give you a free bottle of water with your room. They have your little quick guide menu here for your TV and all the things you need to do, and the reception and the hours and times. And when we checked in, they gave us a Pinchos bar here, and we went there and ate for dinner really late, and it was really good, this place. So if you have a chance, go there. That is really good. And then they gave us some other things like a map here, and show you a map of the city. So they're very helpful at the front desk. And you have power plug. Sorry for the lighting, it's kind of flickering with this. But in each side of the bed, you have one USB charging, and it looks like a USB-C fast charging. If that works, that is great. And bedside lighting and more power plug. Small bedside table and phone. Here's a nice big shelf where you can put your clothes away. Mini bar. And let's take a quick look. Apparently, we found this sign in our room, and the mini bar here at the hotel in San Sebastian is free. Everything? Yeah, there's 3 things in the mini bar, but like I showed you before in the video, there's a little like brut champagne, and then there's this. I don't know what that is. It's like soda, maybe. I don't know. And then there's a Pepsi, and it's free. That is really a bonus. Nobody offers that unless you're at an all-inclusive, and this is not. But hey, it's nice that they include a couple things. Over here, they've got one luggage rack. Looks like a 42-inch LED TV, mirror, and they have little chocolates or something they gave us, and it is a queen bed, but it's 2 looks like single mattresses put together, and seems okay as far as the firmness and comfort level. And we have an interior facing room, as I said, so it doesn't face the main street, so it should be quiet. There doesn't seem to be very many people here. And last but not least, the small bathroom. We have another power plug here. We have a hairdryer, glasses, and we've got the La Cinta soap. And down here we've got extra toilet paper and your bath towels and even more toilet paper. You know, you don't see that much toilet paper. That's a plus, believe it or not. Hand towels. We have bath mat and shampoo and conditioner, and we have a rain shower here. It's not bad. 8 minutes walk from Old Town, down by the ocean and the pier. So I mean, literally, this is a really good place. There's like 10 restaurants within walking distance of a couple minutes where we are. So far, I'm impressed. Oh, wait. There's free coffee downstairs. It's free for the hotel guests. A hotel breakfast, which I believe is $14 per person. thumbs up so far. Pretty good. So in the hotel, if you come downstairs to the lower level, you have a little area for coffee. And this is free. And there's water, right? And you have creamers and everything else. And you get to-go cups. And this are free too. So this is the times that they're open from. That's not noon to 8. Excellent.